I haven't called a plumber in 20 years because I regularly use this trick. Have you ever noticed that water in your sink or wash basin drains slower and slower, eventually stopping completely and forming a mini pool in your kitchen or bathroom? The worst part is the unpleasant smell coming from the drain because bacteria have been building up for months. The good news is that you can prevent this yourself in a simple and completely natural way using ingredients you probably already have at home. Over time, grease, food scraps, hair, and other small debris accumulate in the drain. These gradually stick to the inner walls of the pipes and slow down water flow if left untreated. This can lead to a clog that causes annoying problems and unnecessary costs. That's why it's important to know an easy method to keep your pipes clean and prevent blockages. The process is quick, the ingredients are easy to find, and they are inexpensive. First, pour some dish soap into a small container. It has the power to dissolve grease and helps break down the buildup in the drain. Next, add a tablespoon of regular table salt, which acts as a mild abrasive and also reduces bacterial growth. Then pour in some white vinegar, which breaks down grease and acts as a natural antiseptic. Mix everything well. The mixture will thicken, which is an advantage because it stays longer in the pipes and works more effectively. If it seems too thick, simply add a little water and mix again until smooth. The next step is best done before bedtime. Put a tablespoon of baking soda into the drain, then pour in prepared mixture. The reaction between the baking soda and vinegar creates fizz and bubbles that further dissolve grease and clear the pipes. Leave the mixture overnight. The next morning, fill the sink almost to the top with hot water and then open the drain suddenly. The pressure of the hot water flushes away all the dissolved buildup, leaving the drain clean and free-flowing. This method is not a magic solution for severe clogs caused by tough objects, but it's perfect for regular maintenance, removing light grease and hair buildup, and preventing full blockages. If repeated twice a month, your drain will stay clear, odor-free, and you can avoid costly repairs. If you found this tip helpful, share it and subscribe to the channel so we can keep spreading simple tricks for an easier life.